Welcome to the jungle, and we learn today ABC. Let's start.
Hi friends, let's learn ABC. Yay! B is for butterfly, C is for crocodile. A for apple. This is so much fun!
Yeah, let's splash some more! Whee!
B for banana.
Yay! Dancing is so much fun! I know, I'm so happy. Me too. Best friends forever. Forever!
C says C. C for cat. D says D or D.
Quack! Duck!
What a beautiful day!
It is so much to see.
Let's go for a walk!
Okay, friends, see you in the next video.